Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to customize theatre lists using different colors. Choosing a color for each theatre location in a diary helps to easily distinguish between different theatres directly on the diary screen. By assigning distinct colors to each theatre, you can quickly and visually identify where each procedure is set to take place. This simplifies the scheduling process, minimizes the risk of confusion or mistakes, and improves the overall efficiency of managing theatre allocations within the practice. In this video, we will start on an already completed theatre list workflow event screen. For more information on how to create theatre lists, please refer to the How to Create a Theatre List user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Select Time Slot color field to open the color picker screen. From here, select the desired color. Please note that this process can be applied to multiple theatre sessions using different colors. Once satisfied, click on the Save button. The applied changes will now display on the diary screen.